You're sleeping, your phone buzzes, it's a notification, you just got paid, no meetings, no 9 to 5 grind, no boss breathing down your neck. That's passive income money that flows in whether you're awake or not. But here's the truth, passive income isn't magic. It's a system, and in 2025, it's bigger than ever. Let's break down exactly what passive income is, how it works, and the hottest ways people are stacking cash while living life on their terms. Point 1. What passive income really means. People love to say, make money while you sleep. But passive income isn't no work at all, it's front-loaded work that keeps paying you over time. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it, nurture it, and wait. Once it's grown, it produces fruit for years, even if you don't touch it again. Whether you're a creator, investor, or entrepreneur, passive income is how people break free from trading time for money. Point 2. Classic passive income streams that still work. Money Bag 1. Real estate rentals. Buy a property, rent it out, and collect checks every month. In 2025, Airbnb, VRBO, and midterm rentals, for traveling nurses and remote workers, are booming. Pro tip, property management companies make this truly passive. Money Bag 2. Dividend stocks. Own shares of companies that pay you a piece of their profits every quarter. Big names like Coca-Cola, Apple, and Procter & Gamble have been paying dividends for decades. It's like getting a paycheck just for holding stock. 3. Royalties. Write a book, create music, or license photography. Once your work is out there, you keep getting paid every time it's sold or used. Money Bag 4. Digital products. Ebooks, courses, and templates are low-cost, high-margin income streams. One upload can make you money for years if you market it right. Point 3. Trending passive income ideas in 2025. Fire creator licensing and AI content. Artists, writers, and influencers are licensing content to AI platforms, earning royalties every time their work is used in training data. Fire fractional real estate investing. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul let you invest in real estate projects with as little as $100, no landlord headaches required. Fire print-on-demand stores. Create t-shirt designs or digital artwork and upload them to services like Printful or Redbubble. They handle printing and shipping, you just collect profits. Fire high-yield savings and treasury accounts. Interest rates are higher than they've been in a decade. Banks are now paying real returns, some online savings accounts give 4 to 5% APY. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products online and get paid every time someone buys through your link. This works on blogs, TikTok, YouTube, or even Instagram stories. Fire niche mobile apps and tools. Indie developers are building simple tools, charging a monthly subscription, and collecting steady revenue without constant updates. Point 4. How passive income really starts. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Passive income takes work up front. You create content before it sells. You invest money before it pays dividends. You build systems before they run themselves. But once you do, your time stops being tied to your paycheck. One effort can pay you for years. Point 5. The pros and cons nobody talks about. White heavy checkmark pros. Freedom to travel, create, or spend time with family. Your money works harder than you do. You can stack multiple income streams for security. Crossmark cons. Most passive income streams take time, money, or both to start. Competition is fierce, especially in content and e-commerce. It's passive, but you'll still need to maintain and adjust. Point 6. Building a passive income mindset. People who win with passive income don't just chase money, they build assets. Content that earns forever. Investments that pay dividends. Products that sell themselves. They think long-term. Instead of trading time for dollars, they build machines that print money for them. Passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-smart strategy. Whether it's real estate, stocks, digital products, or AI licensing, the future belongs to those who plant the seeds today. So, here's my question for you. If you could set up just one stream of passive income this year, what would it be? Drop your answer below, I might feature it in the next video.